Well, we're making our way here. I think I got Justin and Darren on. Radio check.
Check, check.
Check, check.
Doing a little recording here on the trail to Jelm, Wyoming. We're hoping to make it to the Jelm Mountain Road here shortly. We've got, a few miles left.
Be nice to have some sunlight when we're up on the observation tower.
Right.
Sweet photo.
I highly doubt we will, but we'll do our best.
Yeah, it's only probably, what, 10 minutes up there?
Oh,
still got
fuck.
20.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Pull what out?
Just make it happen. Right?
Yeah, fucking have at her, Huss. Holy fuck balls.
700 pounds of
I'll watch you go, Justin. Go ahead. Unless you can find a better path.
Well, I don't know if there is one here. You gotta cross the creek, don't you?
Alright, go ahead.
That mud stinks.
Oh, that's good. So you like your line, Darren?
Yeah.
It looked good on video.
It had a good bounce to it. The mud has a horrible smell to it.
Oh, that's not awesome.
Yeah. So much for the run-up.
Ugh.
Don't spray me, please.
Have you seen his tires?
Yeah, there ain't much coming off of it.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a little soupy. There's one big hit in there.
Go ahead, videographer.
Oh yeah, it does stink. Woo! That's not one you want to wipe out in.
Yeah. Could you imagine that?
Any
for
other
3
one will try
days.
to be serviceable.
Sign me up for any other one.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that's not our last one.
A little bit better than slimy rock.